I stated we want 23 plus trades in a row while using this strategy. And that's why I call this the most powerful trading strategy in TradingView. So let's go to TradingView and set up the chart. And then I will tell you how to use this strategy. For this, you will need two indicators. The first one is Heiken Ashi smooth candles and by R+, and you will use default settings in this one. Now the next indicator is ATR bands, and this indicator will help us to find our stop loss. And you will need to change the ATR band scale factor to 2. So for that, just go to settings and change the ATR band scale factor to 2. Now that your chart is ready, let me tell you what this indicator does. The Heiken Ashi smooth candle indicator directly tells us about the direction of the trend. That is, when the Heiken Ashi indicator creates green candles, it tells us that the trend is bullish. And when the candles turn to red, it tells us that the trend is bearish. And when we see black colored candles, it gives us a wait signal. Now, let's see how this strategy works and how to place buy and sell trades with this strategy. This strategy works the best on 5 to 15 minutes time frame. And what you need to do is, when the price moves from below to above the indicator, wait for the indicator to form the green bar. And as soon as you see the first green bar, you enter a buy trade and then keep the stop loss below the band, and the take profit will be 1.5 times that of the stop loss. And what you have to do for the short trade is, when the price moves from above to below the indicator, wait for the indicator to form the red bar. And as soon as you see the first red bar, you enter a sell trade and keep the stop loss above the band and the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. Let us take some examples so that you understand this very, very clearly.